Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to cancel your Rocket Money subscription for 2025. If you're looking to save some cash or switch to another service, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process simple and stress-free. Rocket Money is a popular app for managing your finances, but sometimes life changes and you need to say goodbye. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Rocket Money account. You can do this through the mobile app or their website. If you're on the app, open it up and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. Step 1. Navigate to your account settings. Look for the profile icon or a menu button, usually in the top right corner. Tap on it, and you'll see options like Settings or Account Management. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Find the subscription section. Scroll down until you spot something labeled Subscriptions, Billing, or Membership Details. Rocket Money might have updated their interface for 2025, so if it's not exactly where I describe, double-check the Help section for guidance. Step 3. Select your Rocket Money subscription from the list. Once you find it, there should be an option to Cancel Subscription or Manage Plan. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Take a moment to read any details about potential refunds or what happens next. It's always good to be informed. Step 4. Confirm the cancellation. You'll likely need to enter a reason or just hit Yes to proceed. After that, you might receive a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox. And just like that, you're done. Canceling your subscription should take less than 5 minutes. A quick tip. Before you cancel, check if there are any outstanding charges or if you want to pause instead of fully canceling. This could save you from surprises later. Remember, processes can change, so if you're watching this in the future, verify on the Rocket Money site. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.